Hi, I'm Roy. We're back again with another hero drink. Today we are going to be doing a white chocolate matcha, and it's going to be super tasty. First of all, I'm going to make up the matcha. I've got 1.5 grams that I'm just sieving through. Just make it nice and fine, make sure I don't get any bits in my matcha. Next, we're going to add about 30 grams of water to mix the matcha into a paste. We're going to go 2 pumps of our white chocolate sauce in there, with the matcha going over the top. Beautiful. That nice stir, make sure it's nice and incorporated. I'm going to give it a nice little pour. I may have a new favourite way of drinking matcha.